Hello everyone. First thing I'm going to do is show you how to change your units from metric to standard inch. So the default in Fusion 360 when you first create an account is to default to millimeters. The quickest way to realize that you are in millimeters is when you go to start a sketch. You'll notice that when you go to select a plane, that the numbers are counting by 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100. You can see that here. So if you're in metric, there's a couple things you need to do. First off, you can hit escape, get out of the sketch mode. Then I'm going to go up to this little icon in the upper right hand corner, and when I click on it, I'll select preferences. Preference window will open up, and then on the left hand side, it may be collapsed or not, but you've got default units down and to the left, and you've got design, manufacturing, simulation, generative design. So I'm going to go ahead and do default units design, and you'll see that it says millimeter. Click on that, change it to inch. Then I'm going to go to manufacture, and I'm going to change that to inch. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit apply and click OK. Now, if your current design is in millimeter, the easiest way to change that is by going to the browser and expanding your document settings. And then you're going to see a little choice of units that says millimeter currently. So if I click or hover over that, you're going to see a little box that opens up. I'll click on that. It says change active units, and then I will click here and switch to inch, and then click OK. Now when I go ahead and start my sketch, if I go to select something, all of a sudden it starts projecting numbers like 0.5, 1, 1.5, and then I know that I am in inch. Now, it's not a big issue if you actually CAD something to scale. If you're in metric and you want to switch to inch, Fusion does a switch real easy with that. The problem is that if you start off in metric and you intend to make a length, let's say, of 0.75 inches, and instead you set it to 0.75 millimeters, your object's going to be extremely small. Then you have to do scaling or exporting and importing. Then when you create an object that way that is the wrong size, then it's harder to fix that. So that's it. Have a great day.